Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video.
Hi everybody, it's Rhonda. And in this video, I wanted to show you how you can take a simple mock-up from one of your Etsy listings and turn it into a video mock-up for your Etsy listings. You know, we can all put a video in the second slot in our Etsy listings, and a lot of times people just do a video where it's a run through of all their mock-ups, you know, just like a slideshow. And I wanted to show you how easy you could take a mock-up that looks like this and turn it into a quick 5-second video that looks like that, which is going to get a lot more attention than just a slideshow of your random image listings, okay, your listing images. So I have a listing open here in Etsy, and it's the same mock-up with a different design on the shirt, but I do not have a video for it. Okay, so I am going to take one of my mock-ups here and I'm going to turn it into a video really quickly. It's super fast. It only takes a few minutes, and you really don't need any prompting skills or anything like that to do it. All right. So what I'm going to do, let me shut that out there, is I think I'm going to take the main one here, and I'm also going to do it in this one too, and I'll decide which one I like better, and we'll go from there. But the first thing we're going to do is come over here to MidJourney. All righty. And we are going to, I'm just going to drag this folder over here where I have my two mock-ups that I want to show you. So I'm going to take this first one. See, oops, not that one. Here we go. This one, this shirt right here, this mock-up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to drag our image that we want to use. And I'm just going to grab it right here, drag it up, and drop it in this first box here that says starting frame. Just put it right there and just hit the submit arrow. We don't have to do anything else. Now you do want to make sure that your MidJourney is set to personalization off and you're on version 7. Okay, this won't work on version 6 or anything like that. It has to be set on version 7. So we're just going to upload that, and while that one's working, I'm going to grab the second one and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to drop that right in here to starting frame and just hit submit. And it'll take just a few minutes for these 5-second video clips to finish. So we'll give them just a few minutes to do its thing. Okay, so this one is done already, and you can see you just get these real quick clips that make really nice videos that you can put in your video slot. All right, and let's check them all out. And you can take 2 of these and put them together for a little bit longer of a video clip, or you can use a couple different images and put them together as a video clip, or just use one all by itself. And now our second one is done, and you see it's just a woman laughing, and that looks so much nicer than a video of your still images just running through all of your still images. I think this looks so much nicer and catches the attention of people who are browsing Etsy in a much, much better way. So I just wanted to show you that. Let's do one more. This is just so simple. All right, so we have our blank over here, and I am just going to drag an image in, just like we just did. Let me grab, here we go. We're going to drop this mock-up in, and we can prompt a little bit. Show the woman laughing. Keep the t-shirt in view at all times, okay? And just send that in, and we'll give it a few minutes for it to generate the video. Okay, here these are done, so let's take a look at them. And that is just a great video that just shows a little more action, a little more lifestyle view of your design, and it's super quick to make. Alrighty, so once you have done this, once you've made your video, you decide which one you like best, or if you want to put a couple together, you can do that. I like this one, so I am just going to download the video, and you just over here on the right, you just click on one of the downloads, and we're going to go mock up video, and I'm going to save that. And it's real quick. Then we're going to come back over here to our Etsy shop, and I'm going to drag that video in here and upload it to my Etsy listing right in my video slot. So what we're going to do then is just hit publish with changes, and let's go find that now, and we will view on Etsy. And there you see the video is in there. And that just looks so much nicer than just a slideshow of still images. Alrighty, so that is how quick it is to create these lifestyle videos for your Etsy listings. It is just a quick drag in, drop it in place, and let MidJourney do the work for you.